Alfajores are a really popular treat in South America, and it's no wonder why. These buttery soft shortbread cookies, often flavored with citrus zest, are an excellent vehicle for dulce de leche, one of the most perfect substances known to man. If you've never had one before, you're missing out, but no worries, I'm about to show you how to make them. The recipe's in the description below, so let's get started. Grab your most medium bowl, and to it add the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Tidy up the bowl to make it presentable for the camera, and give it all a whisk to combine. And in your next most medium bowl, add your sugar and lime zest. Rub the lime zest in with your fingertips until the sugar resembles damp sand. This is a great way to release all the flavorful oil out of the zest. Check out my chocolate orange brookies video to see this technique in action. And to yet another bowl, add your butter and sugar and beat until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Add a splash of vanilla and mix it in, then add the yolks one at a time, beating well after each addition. Drop the dry ingredients in, making sure to dust yourself with just a touch of flour and cornstarch in the process, and mix on low speed until just combined. Take about half the dough and drop it onto a piece of plastic wrap. Fold the plastic wrap over the dough, leaving a few inches of space so you can smush it down to about ½ inch thick to make rolling out easier later. Do the same with the rest of the dough and refrigerate for about ½ an hour or until the dough is chilled but still pliable. This dough is really soft and sticky, so the best way to roll it out is between 2 sheets of parchment. You can roll it out anywhere between 1/4 to ½ an inch thick, depending on how soft, thick, and chewy you want your cookies to be. Once the dough is at your desired thickness, remove the top layer of parchment and use a round cookie cutter or a glass and stamp out rounds. I wish I had refrigerated this before trying to remove the scraps because it would have wound up a lot cleaner in the end, but anyway, the dough needs to head back into the fridge to firm up one more time. These don't really spread, so you only need to leave 1 inch or so between each cookie. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until slightly puffed and just barely starting to turn golden around the edges. Your mileage may vary depending on your oven and how thick you rolled your cookies, but this should take anywhere around 8 to 12 minutes. Let the cookies cool completely on the baking sheet. Pair off cookies of the same size, dollop a bit of dulce de leche in the center of one cookie, and press a matching cookie on top and squeeze the dulce almost to the edge. If coconut is your jam, you can roll the edges in some unsweetened coconut flakes. And there you have it. Soft, chewy cookies filled with delicious dulce de leche. The lime zest in the cookies really helps to balance the rich sweetness of the dulce de leche, and take my word for it, these are amazing dipped in your morning coffee. I hope you'll give these a try, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!